This is my Airbnb at 44 Skiing Terrace in Aberdeen. This is the view from the entrance. So there's a landline, and then to the right is the kitchen. So it has a table, fire extinguisher, blinds, a microwave, a dishwasher, a washing machine, big sink, an oven and a stove, good sized fridge and freezer, outside view, not terrible. It's probably better when it's sunny or out. It's kind of raining right now, almost raining. Okay, then we have a dresser here. Then the bathroom. That scared me. I thought it was something else, but it's a doorstop. Here's the shower and tub. Okay. Toilet. Some nice decorations. Hello. Okay, and then over here to the left of the door is the bedroom. So here's the bed, side table, big closets, a little TV, armchair. That's the view out the front. So this is a lower level flat. So I have to go down some stairs. Some books. And behind the door, another shelf, and I think that's a speaker, maybe? Here we go. Yep, I'm here for a month. And I happen to come in at the same time as my neighbors. I don't know how long they're staying here, but I'm on one side of the hallway and they're on the other side.